Intro, are you struggling to grow your YouTube channel and gain followers? You're not alone. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 methods that can significantly boost your subscriber count and help you build a thriving community on this popular platform. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, these strategies are designed to enhance your visibility, engage your audience, and ultimately attract more followers. From optimizing your content to leveraging social media, we'll explore actionable tips that can transform your channel's growth trajectory. Get ready to discover the secrets behind successful YouTubers and learn how to implement these techniques effectively. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to elevate your channel and connect with a larger audience. So, let's jump right in and uncover the top 5 methods to gain a lot of YouTube followers. Number 5, collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaborating with fellow creators is a powerful way to tap into new audiences and expand your reach. By partnering with YouTubers who share a similar niche or audience, you can introduce your content to their subscribers, creating a win-win situation. This method not only enhances your visibility but also fosters a sense of community within the platform. Unique features of collaboration include the opportunity to create engaging content that combines different styles and perspectives, making it more appealing to viewers. However, while collaboration is effective, it ranks at number 5 because it often requires coordination and mutual agreement, which can be time-consuming. Compared to higher-ranked methods, such as optimizing your content or leveraging social media, collaborations may yield slower results. Nonetheless, when executed well, they can lead to lasting relationships and a steady influx of new followers, making it a valuable strategy for any YouTuber looking to grow their channel. Number 4, promote on social media. Utilizing social media platforms is an essential strategy for driving traffic to your YouTube channel and increasing your follower count. By sharing your videos on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, you can reach a broader audience and engage with potential subscribers in real time. The unique feature of social media promotion lies in its ability to create buzz around your content through shares, likes, and comments, which can lead to viral exposure. However, it ranks at number 4 because, while effective, it often requires consistent effort and a well-planned strategy to see significant results. Unlike higher-ranked methods, such as optimizing your video titles and descriptions for search, social media promotion can sometimes feel scattered and less targeted. Yet, when done right, it can create a dynamic interaction with your audience, encouraging them to check out your channel. This method serves as a powerful complement to your overall growth strategy, making it a vital tool for any aspiring YouTuber looking to expand their reach. Number 3, engage with your audience. Actively interacting with your viewers is a crucial strategy for building a loyal subscriber base and fostering community. By responding to comments, asking for feedback, and encouraging discussions, you create a sense of belonging that keeps viewers coming back for more. This method stands out because it humanizes your channel, making your audience feel valued and heard. Engaging with your audience also provides insights into their preferences, allowing you to tailor your content to better meet their needs. However, it ranks at number 3 because, while essential, it requires ongoing commitment and can be time-consuming. Compared to higher-ranked strategies like optimizing your video content for search, audience engagement may not yield immediate results in terms of follower growth. Yet, the long-term benefits are undeniable. A well-engaged audience is more likely to share your videos and recommend your channel to others. This method not only enhances viewer loyalty but also cultivates a vibrant community around your content, making it a vital component of your growth strategy. Number 2, optimize video titles and descriptions. Crafting compelling titles and descriptions is a fundamental strategy for enhancing your video's discoverability on YouTube. By incorporating relevant keywords and phrases, you not only improve your chances of appearing in search results but also capture the attention of potential viewers. This method stands out because it directly influences how your content is perceived. A well-optimized title can entice clicks, while a detailed description provides context and encourages engagement. Ranking at number 2, it is crucial for driving organic traffic to your channel. However, it requires a keen understanding of SEO principles and audience behavior, which can be challenging for some creators. Compared to the top-ranked method, which focuses on creating high-quality content, optimization serves as the gateway to that content, ensuring it reaches the right audience. While engaging titles and descriptions can significantly boost your visibility, they work best in tandem with exceptional content, making this strategy a powerful tool for any YouTuber aiming to grow their follower base effectively. Number 1, create high-quality content. At the pinnacle of YouTube growth strategies, producing high-quality content is the cornerstone of attracting and retaining subscribers. This method emphasizes the importance of delivering value through engaging storytelling, stunning visuals, and informative insights that resonate with your audience. High-quality content not only captivates viewers but also encourages them to share your videos, leading to organic growth. What sets this strategy apart is its ability to foster trust and loyalty. When viewers find your content valuable, they are more likely to subscribe and return for future videos. Ranking at number 1, it serves as the foundation upon which all other strategies build. Unlike optimization techniques or audience engagement, which enhance visibility and interaction, high-quality content is the ultimate driver of viewer satisfaction and channel reputation. While other methods can help amplify your reach, without exceptional content, those efforts may fall flat. Ultimately, creating high-quality content is the most effective way to cultivate a dedicated following and ensure long-term success on YouTube. Conclusion: in today's video, we explored the top 5 methods to gain a lot of YouTube followers, ranking from effective collaborations to the essential creation of high-quality content. We began with number 5, collaborating with other YouTubers, which opens doors to new audiences. Next, we discussed promoting on social media at number 4, a vital strategy for driving traffic to your channel. At number 3, we highlighted the importance of engaging with your audience, fostering a loyal community around your content. We then moved to number 2, optimizing video titles and descriptions, which enhances discoverability and attracts viewers. Finally, we crowned creating high-quality content as the number 1 method, the foundation for building trust and retaining subscribers. Each of these strategies plays a crucial role in your growth journey. We encourage you to dive deeper into these methods and implement them in your own channel. Remember, success on YouTube is a combination of creativity, strategy, and persistence. Start applying these techniques today, and watch your follower count soar.